Out of all the curries I have learned from my mother, this is one of the quickest and also one of my favorites. Today, I am making a North Indian delicacy, Tamatar Aloo Sabji. Let's get started. In a kadhai, I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Wait for it to heat. 1 teaspoon jeera for the pungent flavor. 1 bay leaf. 1 teaspoon grated ginger. And to spice it up, 3 chopped green chillies. Give it a good stir. Season this with 1 teaspoon of dhania or coriander powder, half a teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder for the aromatic flavor, half a teaspoon of Garam Masala, and half a teaspoon of amchur powder or raw mango powder. Stir this mixture so that all the flavors bind together. Our spices are evenly mixed. To this, I am adding 3 pureed tomatoes. Ensure that all the spices blend well with the puree. Now I am adding 5 boiled and chopped potatoes. Let's coat these potatoes in the mixture. To get the desired consistency, I am adding 2 cups of water. Bring this mixture to a boil. To enhance the thickness of the curry, I am adding 1 boiled and mashed potato and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a good stir and add 1 tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves. Cover this and let it come to a boil. With this, our Tamatar Aloo Sabji is ready. Remove it to a serving bowl and top it off with some chopped coriander leaves. Serve it with rotis or rice and enjoy this wholesome, easy and delicious curry with your family and friends. Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.